In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a Tumblr account on your mobile phone. So the first thing you want to do is you want to install the app, and then you want to open the app, and then you get to something like this. So for me it's in Dutch because I live in the Netherlands, so I have to translate everything manually. So the first thing in the blue, that's make new account. So you want to make new account and hit the blue button, and you have to accept this. This is the terms of service, and you always have to accept this. So hit the blue button again, and now you can enter your age. So this question is, how old are you? So I say I'm 21 years old. Hit next, and now you can find some things that you like. So if you like anime, or you like do it yourself, everything you like, just put some things here that you like, and all the things you like will come in your recommendation. So that's just how Tumblr sees what you like. Then you can hit next again, and you made an account, and hit accept. This hit accept, and now you have you made a Tumblr account. You didn't use a password or a email address because that's not needed. If you do want to use an email address or a password, go to your account and then fill your email address, password and username. So if this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time.
Bye.